everyone, welcome back to PE with the Pollards. I am Mrs. Pollard, that is Mr. Pollard, and today we have a challenge for you. We have, what's it called?
The Laundry Basket Challenge.
The Laundry Basket Challenge. All you need is a laundry basket and some socks.
Socks.
Mr. Pollard is going to take you through the directions.
First thing, you obviously need an empty laundry basket, and what I suggest, if you have clean clothes in a laundry basket, fold them. If you have dirty clothes in a laundry basket, wash them before you start this challenge. Alright, so you have your basket, you have your socks. We will go through, I think, 7 different levels. Each level will progressively get more challenging and difficult as it goes along. What you're going to notice is that in the video, to make the video shorter, we will show you a successful completion of each level, but know that we probably spent a long time completing each level. So as many times as it takes you, that's fine. We certainly didn't do this first try for all the levels, for sure.
Some of them, yeah.
All right.
Just another thing to keep in mind, you can do some of these challenges with your younger siblings or your older siblings, and it starts off basic, and as the levels go up, it gets a lot harder. Okay?
And I know for both Mrs. Pollard and my case, if you have a new level that you can think of or a new challenge with the laundry basket and the socks, please send it to us because we'd love to see new ideas. And we're happy to add them to this video. You ready?
We're ready.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Do it.
Hi, everybody. Welcome. I'm going to restart that.
That's fine. Just go.
Blah, blah, blah. A laundry basket.
There's a laundry basket.
There's a laundry basket. Mr. Pollard hit himself
And
in the head with it last time. Last one.
Okay.
Oh, are we started? We're started.
Uh-huh.
Okay. We need one of those action things.